How to withdraw money from Coinbase. Have you ever found yourself staring at your Coinbase wallet filled with cryptocurrency and wondering, how do I actually turn this digital gold into real-world cash? Well, you're not alone. In this video, we're going to break down the process of withdrawing money from Coinbase step by step. So, grab your popcorn and let's dive in. Understanding the basics. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's clarify a few things. First, Coinbase primarily supports withdrawals to bank accounts. So, if you're looking to cash out directly to your wallet or another exchange, you might need to explore other options. Second, the exact process might vary slightly depending on your location and the cryptocurrency you're withdrawing. Step 1. Verify your identity. To ensure security and compliance, Coinbase requires you to verify your identity. This usually involves providing personal information like your name, address, and date of birth. You might also need to upload a photo of your identification document. Step 2. Choose your withdrawal method. Once your identity is verified, head over to your Coinbase wallet. You should see a button or option labeled Withdraw or something similar. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a few choices. Typically, you'll have the option to withdraw to a bank account. Step 3. Enter your bank information. If you've chosen to withdraw to a bank account, you'll need to provide your bank's routing number and your personal bank account number. Double-check these details to avoid errors. Step 4. Select your cryptocurrency. Now, it's time to specify which cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Choose the coin from the list provided. Step 5. Enter the withdrawal amount. Input the amount of cryptocurrency you want to convert to fiat currency. Keep in mind that there might be minimum withdrawal amounts. Step 6. Review and confirm. Before you hit the withdraw button, take a moment to review the details. Make sure the amount, cryptocurrency, and bank information are correct. If everything looks good, proceed with the confirmation. Step 7. Wait for processing. Once you confirm the withdrawal, Coinbase will process your request. The processing time can vary depending on factors like network congestion and the specific cryptocurrency. Step 8. Check your bank account. After the withdrawal is processed, the funds should be transferred to your bank account. Keep in mind that there might be a delay between the time the withdrawal is processed and the time the funds appear in your account. Additional tips. Security first. Always prioritize security when withdrawing funds. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious of phishing attempts. Fees and exchange rates. Be aware of any fees associated with withdrawals, including network fees and exchange rates. These can impact the amount you receive. Withdrawal limits. Coinbase might have withdrawal limits in place. Check their terms and conditions for specific restrictions. Customer support. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Coinbase customer support. Withdrawing money from Coinbase is a relatively straightforward process, but it's essential to understand the steps involved and be aware of potential challenges. By following the guidelines outlined in this video, you should be able to successfully convert your cryptocurrency into fiat currency. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy trading.